Hello, you find me today heading east out of Heppner, Oregon on Willow Creek Road, which becomes NF-53 at some point. So I've included in my review of doing NF-53 between Heppner and Ukiah, Oregon. Let's check it out. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. As you can see, Willow Creek is the perfect road for just sitting back and casually soaking in this wonderful scenery on this beautiful day. Or, you know, you can do what I'm doing. Pavement, as you can see, is superb. This first section is on the valley floor. Lots of farm and ranch and that sort of thing around. But population is, you know, near zero out here. So it's something you get to just basically come and enjoy for yourself. Look at these hills, grass, old barn. That would be a cool photograph. Man, I need to bring my camera out here, my good camera. Anyway, it won't be too long before we're actually heading up into the hills, and the road is going to get a lot more foresty. Is that a word? Leaving the valley below, we get into this forest section, sort of a area with a lot of this sort of semi-thin but fairly prevalent tree cover, and a lot of cattle grates. There's been a couple times I've been here where there's actually been cattle on the road. Doesn't happen very often, but you got to keep aware of that. There are a lot of cattle grates on this road. Most of them are pretty decent, but then again, I am pounding over these on bikes with pretty good suspension. No idea what they'd be like on a sport bike or a cruiser if you had less suspension travel or more of a hardtail kind of bike. But the pavement itself, pretty good generally. There's one. There's two. No, I'm not going to show them all to you. There may not be some super epic view of like a mountain or a waterfall or something, but you do get kind of a grand vista a couple spots. You pop out on top like this, you get quite a nice view into the distance. Let's give this guy some room. What do you think? Not too bad. Alright, let me, hang on. Let me cover some of the basic stats. The road itself is about 40-something miles long. As you can see, pavement is generally pretty darn good throughout. You start out with some Sweepery Valley stuff. Go into the mountains, you get a few curves here and there, some trees, some nice views. And then as we start to head down toward Highway 395, sort of in the distance there, the road curves a little bit more, but nothing real intense. You never get to the place where it's, hardcore switchbacks. You're not having a fight with that sort of thing. You can generally run it at whatever speed you're comfortable without worrying too much about the technical aspect of the road. Just enough curvy stuff to keep you happy. Beautiful views. Nice road. It's a great way to get where we're going. If you're in Heppner, if you're in eastern Oregon, coming down from Pendleton, coming across from La Grande, via Ukiah heading west. We're heading east right now, but if you're heading west, fully recommend NF-53. Put that on your list. If you're going to be out here, come and do it. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.